girls, it's me, Mrs. Jenkins. For today's math lesson, we're going to learn about greater than, less than, greater than, less than. Can you guess what that means? Greater than, whoa, less than. I bet you've already figured out what it means. You're right. So these are new math words for you. Greater than means more than. Less than means fewer or not as many. This is a very important mathematical concept that you need to learn. Greater than, less than. We're going to do some work with greater than and less than today. Let's get our items ready that we're going to need to do this lesson. For today's lesson and assignment, you are going to need 2 different piles of manipulatives. So, we're not at school, of course, and we don't have all of our buckets of manipulatives, but I know you have some manipulatives in your house. Look what I found from my house. I found a bunch of barrettes from my dog Sammy for when I do her hair. And then I have these noodles that I found in my pantry. And I just got a big handful of them and just made 2 big piles. So why don't you pause this video right now and go get 2 different piles of manipulatives and bring them to your workspace, just like I've got mine, here in my workspace, and then come back. See you when you come back. All right, I'm glad you're back. So today's lesson is about greater than, that means more, less than, that means not as much. And I'm going to show you a little way that you can figure out which group is greater than the other one and which group is lesser than the other one. So I don't want to work with the whole pile right now. I'm going to take some of these barrettes. We're going to start off easy. We don't want to get it too hard right away. Okay, I'll just take some of them, and I'll take some of the noodles. We'll start off in the easy way. Now, if someone were to ask you, which group is greater than the other? Are the barrettes greater or are the noodles greater? Well, it's really hard to tell because they're all in a big pile. Okay, so what if I were to line them up? Can we tell which one is greater that way? Let's try it. Okay, I'm going to line these up. All right. And I'm going to line these up. All right. Can we tell which one is greater, the barrettes or the noodles? Well, some of you might be saying, yes, I can tell. But you can't really tell because sometimes when things are lined up, you can't really tell which one is greater and which one's less because, look, I can make it look like less. Are there less noodles now? I can make it look like more. Oh boy, this can be very tricky. I'm going to show you a technique to where you can find out for sure which one has greater and which one has less. Okay? And that technique is called making partners. So what you would do is I'll take one of this manipulative and one of this one, and I'll line them up like this so that they are partners. So these 2 are partners. Let's keep going. We'll make more partners. It's almost like the lineup strategy. Almost. But we're making partners. Okay, these 2 go together. Let's keep making partners. These 2 are partners. We'll just keep pairing them up, going down the line. Okay, these are paired up. And when we're done making partners, we will be able to see which one is greater and which one's less. Let's keep making partners. You're gonna need a lot of space for this. Okay, these two are paired up. And these two go together. Just keep on making partners all the way down the line. These two go together. And these are paired up. These two are partners. And then get back over here. This little guy on the end does not have a partner. So think about that. Let me move my camera back a tiny bit. Think. Which group is greater? The barrettes or the noodles? I hear you saying the noodles. You're right. And I know that because all of these are paired up with each other. They all have partners. But this noodle, we have an extra noodle over here, does not have a partner. That means there are more noodles than barrettes. Or we could say the noodles are greater than the barrettes. Wow, that was good. Okay, let's play again. All right, put all my barrettes back. Put all my noodles back. This time I'm going to get a different amount. Let's get that many noodles. And you see I'm not counting them. I'm just grabbing random ones. Let's get that many barrettes. Okay. So again, we need to figure out which group is greater. The barrettes or the noodles? I think maybe the barrettes, but I'm not exactly sure. Let's make partners and we'll find out for sure. Okay? Get back over there. All right, so these two, we're going to line these up. These are, oh my goodness. I hope your manipulatives aren't rolling away like mine are. So these two are going to be partnered up. These two are partners. These two go together. I'm going to, oh man, get over there. Stay. Good noodle. These two are paired up. Okay, let's keep making the partners. These two go together. These two go together. These two go together. These two go together. And, whoa. That barrette does not have a partner to go with. Now I can see which group is greater. Which of my groups is greater? Yes, the barrettes are greater than the noodles. How do we know that? Because we paired them up and we have one extra barrette. Or we could say we have one more barrette than noodles. Or you could say we have one fewer noodle than barrettes. Oh boy, I just said a mouthful, didn't I? I'm talking like a first grader, aren't I? Let's play one more time. All right. Noodles, stand back. Barrettes, stand back. Let's play one more time. Okay. Now, if this is easy for you, that's actually good. What might be hard for you is learning these new math words, and that might be the part that you need to practice. Or you might need bigger numbers, maybe 10 or 20 or 30, okay? So you can always challenge yourself until you get this concept of greater than and less than. All right, let's do this one more time. Here are the noodles, here are the barrettes. Which group is greater? I have no idea. Let's partner them up and we'll see. All right, whoa. These noodles are so funny. Okay, let's line them up. Or we'll actually partner them up. So these two are partners. These two go together. These two go together. No partner, no partner, no partner. Look very closely. Which group is greater? Oh, that was super easy. The noodles are greater than the barrettes. How do you know? I know because there are extra noodles that don't have a barrette partner. So that tells me there are more noodles. Or, we got to use our new math word. The noodles, the number of noodles, are greater than the number of barrettes. Right, so we've got to start using this new math language. Greater than, less than. We can also say, how many more noodles are there? Ooh, that's a first grade question. How many more noodles are there? Well, these three don't have partners, so there are 3 more noodles than barrettes. Oh my goodness, you're going to be a greater than, less than rock star.